Okay, that's great. What I'm going to do now is kind of improvisational. I'm just going to give you four random items, and I want you to construct a joke.
Sure, that sounds fun. What are the four random items?
Okay, let's go with penguin, cheese, political science, and toaster oven.
All right, here's a try. Why did the penguin study political science while making cheese toast in the toaster oven? Because he wanted to know how to properly grill politicians while keeping things cheesy in the kitchen. How's that for a joke?
That's pretty good. I'm not laughing out loud, but I am laughing inside.
I'm glad it brought a smile to your face. Do you have any more prompts or questions you'd like to explore?